Hello and welcome to another Matchbox unboxing. And in today's video, I managed to get an Autobahn Express 6 5-pack. Yeah. And now, let's open it. And here it is. Now I'll be pulling one by one casting and showing you what it is. And let me get the box for the reference. The first car is a police livery Audi e-tron. Now I do have one of these. I got it in 2024. It's like a red one. But this one is an interesting Polizei, which is police in German. So yeah, pretty cool car. And I finally managed to get it into my collection. I mean, I don't have a single German police car. The only one, actually I do have one, which is a 1962 Volkswagen Beetle. Yeah, and the next one is a car that I have now 3 of, Porsche 911 GT3 from 2007. I bought a red one, and then I bought a white one, and now I have a brown one. This is the only casting I was kinda mad at getting in this set, cause I already have 2 of. But the next one, I also have 2 of, but I'm happy to get. 2019 Fiat 500 Turbo. In this teal green color, I don't know, it's like very white green color. I do have a black one and a red one of these, but now I get to add another Fiat to my collection. It's been some time since I got a Fiat, so I'm happy to add this one. And the next car, which I was most excited to get out of this set, the 1965 Alfa Romeo Giulia Sprint GTA. Very long name. It's so old that it says that it's 159, which is pretty interesting. I love the look on it. And I think there's actually an Alfa Romeo Giulia coming out as a Hot Wheels sometime in the future. Does it have the green leaflet? Yeah, it does. Very nice car. And this is a first edition to my collection. And the last car, which is also a first edition. Let me get it out of the packaging. 1990 Volkswagen Transporter Crew Cab. It's got detailed headlights, a lot of detailing on the sides, but no rear details because it's got too many details on the side. There. It's also got a tow hook. Let me check on the base to see. It's a 2015, released in 2016, first edition. It's a pretty interesting Volkswagen to add to my Volkswagen collection. I only have like 10 Volkswagens, so this is gonna be a good add-on. And that's it. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.